Hey there, everyone. Hope you're having a great Friday. We're going to get into the markets, talk about what I'm moving around today, what I'm going to be looking to buy, and what we're going to be looking to sell, and where I see these markets going. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living, and I'm here to help break it down, make it easy to follow along. So if you are out there trading and you believe that you can only make 8-10% a year, we're going to take that to the next level. And if you're not even out there trading, if you're stuck in a 9 to 5 job, whatever your case may be, and you want more out of life, then I make it super easy to follow along so that you can learn to get into it yourself. So, with that being said, let's get into the markets. Now, we've got the S&P down over 0.75% already in the pre-markets. That's pretty harsh. However, we still have quite a bit of green popping up on my watch list. Sorry for my voice. My allergies are getting the better of me today. All this weather turning cold. But I believe that we're very well set up to end this week out. We're still holding some positions. We still have our Coinbase that we just picked up from yesterday. We got a position in Alibaba as well as NEO. So if we do end up having a pop this morning, we're set up well, I believe, to make some money there. And if today ends up being red all day long, then what am I going to do? I'm going to use it as a buying opportunity. What am I looking to buy? Well, I'm going to be honest. We've made money the last 2 Fridays picking up IMPP and selling them on Monday or Tuesday. Now, IMPP is actually running in the pre-market. I've been saying that I've been wanting IMPP to push up, hit around that 40 cent, show proof of concept that it's still got momentum and strength. And in the pre-market today, we have almost hit 40 cents already, up in the high 39s. But if we get a pullback at open, and if throughout the day we drop back down and say hit that 36 cent level, which is kind of what we've been looking at. However, if it does start pushing up and showing proof of concept around that 40, then we might be looking at entry price on up around the 37 cent or even 38 cent. I really wouldn't want to go 38 with it being the first day of showing that. However, next week that could be kind of the range that we're looking at. But for the day, right now I'm going to be targeting about 36. If it opens up and starts pushing on that 40 cent level and I see a pullback to about 37, then I'm going to look at taking an entry point there, because I do believe there's a good chance, over the weekend oil prices could rise a little bit and then we could get a really nice run on Monday. It's what we've done for the last 2 weeks. No point in breaking a winning strategy. So with that being said, Coinbase, I am highly interested in Coinbase. Coinbase has been making us rich this week. We have bought and sold Coinbase multiple times, and it's down here at a level where I just love buying it at. So if I see Coinbase breaking down, I already have a position at $63. If you're not in Coinbase, if we were to get a pullback around 62, I think that's a fantastic entry price. But since I already have a position at 63, I'm going to be looking and see if we have a big sell-off today. Could we get down close to that $60 mark, maybe $61 mark? And if I could do that, then I'm going to look to average down and pick up some more Coinbase, because if we get a pump next week, then that's going to explode and we're going to make even more money. And so that's the stocks that I'm interested in. I think that the market is set up. I still believe we have more rally to go. The little bit of rally we got is not nearly what we're set up to have. So I do believe that we still have more upward momentum and good chance that we could get that through the early parts of next week. And of course, there's all kinds of factors out there going on and different things that's happening in the marketplace and in the world that is just putting that fear, uncertainty, and doubt out there in people. People see the red, they see the markets going down, they start losing confidence, and that's what I'm on here for. I don't want you to lose confidence, because now is the absolute worst time to lose it. When everyone else is fearful, that's when you need to be brave. That's when you need to start getting into these markets. I've said it before to other people, I'll say it on here. But if you've never been in the market, this is the best time that there's maybe ever been, but at least been in the last 10 years to be getting into the markets. Everyone says, get out of the markets, there's a recession coming, there's this, there's that, the markets are down, they're going down, we don't know how far they're going to go. That is the best time to be going in. Why do you not want to buy something when it's on sale? If your favorite store had something on sale at 80% off, that's when you would go buy. You wouldn't say, well, it's 80% off, I don't want to buy it right now, I'll wait till it's going up. And yet that's how people treat the stock markets, crypto markets. Housing out there. Housing has been just blowing up, running up, and everybody wants to go out and buy houses. Why do you want to buy houses when they're going up and they're way higher than where they should be? Because there's a pullback coming. Stocks and crypto, on the other hand, they're going down, which means they're in a perfect position. If you can buy into them and give them just a little bit of time, they've got pretty much nowhere to go but up. They can't keep falling forever. They're not going to zero. Most of these companies, now I'm not talking about going out and buying some penny company that might go to zero, but there are so many amazing companies out there. And if you don't know what they are, if you're new to investing, subscribe to the channel. I'll happily go over at least some of my favorite companies and start learning, start educating yourself. There are amazing companies out there right now that is on sale to a point that it's almost unbelievable, that have a lot of upward potential. And there's a lot of money to be made in this volatility, which is what I'm doing, and a lot of the people who's following me is using this volatility to make quick cash to be able to go ahead and invest in some of these other companies for that long-term generational wealth. So that's what I got for you today. I hope you're following along. I hope you play along here with me. If you don't have any money, if you don't know how to trade at all, go to the link in this video, download the Webull app, get on there, start paper trading. You can do that for free. You can trade up to $1 million and not have to put a penny of your own money into it. Just paper trade, which is just fake trading, to get that confidence so that you know what you're looking for. It's a great tool. They offer it free on Webull, and I highly recommend it if you're not been doing this, or even if you trade and you want to try out a new system. Paper trading's the way to go. So definitely give that a try. They're going to give you some free stocks just for signing up. And join me this afternoon. We're going to go over our numbers. We're going to see what we did for the week. Do this every Friday so that you can keep me honest and see exactly the kind of returns that we're pulling in week over week. So that's what I got for you. Be blessed. And until next time, remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.